Welcome. Get comfortable. Make sure you're sitting up nice and straight, shoulders level and relaxed. Reach up with the crown of your head, extending your spine. Settle in, tune in, getting ready for belly breathing, a natural breathing pattern, the one we are born with, a nourishing breath, drawing oxygen from the air deep into our lungs. Bring a gentle smile to your lips, relax your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Place a hand on your belly, just below the navel. Relax your belly, let it expand as you inhale. And as you breathe out, draw your belly inwards, gently contracting your muscles, and notice your navel move towards your spine. Observe. Breathing in, belly expands. Breathing out, belly draws back. Place 2 hands now on your belly. We're going to take 10 breaths. Breathing in, belly expands. Breathing out, belly draws back. In and out. Feel your breathing slowing down. In and out. Finding your rhythm, and continue. Breathing in, breathing out. Release. Try to find a moment in your day, a few minutes, to sit and practice 10 belly breaths in a row. And we look forward to seeing you for our next tutorial. Take care of yourself, breathe well. See you soon.